Hello friends, I am Nilesh Karani, welcoming you all to Connexio SME IPO review, powered by Magnum Equity Broking Limited. We wish all our viewers a happy Holi. Through this show, we will review upcoming SME IPOs on SME exchange of both NSE and BSE. Today, we are discussing an ongoing company, VMark India Limited. VMark India is engaged in manufacturing of cables and wires located at Uttarakhand. Company's ongoing IPO on NSE Emerge platform. So friends, let's talk about the business of the company. The company was formed in 2006, around 15 years, and has a good track record. VMark is one of the leading manufacturers of HT LT power cables, control axial branch cables, domestic industrial flexible wire and cables. The company is operating from two manufacturing units located in Haridwar. The company is promoted by Vikas Garg and Meenakshi Garg. Company has approximately employee strength of 150 plus, and the company's turnover for FY20 stood at 170 crores. And if you say December FY19 21, 9 months turnover should be around 130 crores now. The annual production capacity of the company is 63,600 kilometers per annum, and through this IPO they will be expanding 11,500 to the capacity. They have got almost 600 dealer network in around 19 states. The company has got ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 2015 certified. So friends, let's talk about the business model or business portfolio of the company. See, company has got multi-strand cables in product portfolio, HT-LT cables, communication cables, which are useful for industries in solar, telecom and CCTV cables. The company is basically having a widespread distribution network, almost pan-India. So if you say state-wise, it has got its presence in MP, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, UP, UK, Rajasthan, Odisha, Punjab, Bihar, Haryana, and other states, and has got more than 600 dealer network. The company has good set of institutional clients like IFCON, NTPC, ONGC, NHPC. Company is also strengthening its brand recognition in the industry by increasing focus on advertisements, engaging the dealers and distributors, building social media platforms, and brand recognition for the retail. So company is basically for its sustainable growth trying to explore international markets. Also, it is trying to focus more on retail segments and also improving the operating efficiencies. The company is also planning to expand its manufacturing infrastructure. The infrastructure basically is manufacturing infrastructure is being funded by this IPO, and the company is looking to expand technology with the new quaternary continuous vulcanization technology for the next gen products for 33 kVA HT cables and 11 kVA HT cables. The total expansion through IPO would be around 11,520 kilometers through this IPO. Let's see the financials of the company. FY20, the revenue was around 171 crores and EBITDA was around 13 crores. And if you see PAT was roughly around 4.5 crores. If you see EBITDA margins, they are constantly increasing. So FY20, the EBITDA margins were around 7.62% and PAT margins were around 2.71%. So currently the debt equity ratio, if you see, is around 1.3, 1.2. The range is quite constant, and the overall performance of the company remains stable. The peer comparison, if you look at the company, which is given in the RHP, shows the return on net worth quite impressive, and the issue is also fairly priced, not very expensive at this point of time. The IPO details for Viewmark India Limited: fresh issue of 60 lakh equity shares. Issue opened on 25th March 2021 and issue will close on 31st March 2021. The issue size is on the lower band 22 crores and on the higher band is approximately 23.4 crores. The price band is between 37 and 39. Listing on NSE Emerge platform. Bid size 3000 shares and in multiple thereof. Face value 10. Post market implied cap would be around 51 crores on the lower band and 53 crores on the higher band. Pentamoth is the book running lead managers to the issue. The reservation side, HNI portion is 28 lakh 50,000 shares and retail is also 28 lakh 50,000 shares, and market maker will reserve around 3 lakh shares for themselves. And the object of the issue is the expenditure for the new project, that is 15 crores, and working capital requirement of the company of around 5 crores. And shareholding post issue would be around 70% for the promoters and 30% to the public. And number of shares 2 crores, around 28 lakh shares, and paid up capital post issue would be around 22 crores 78 lakh. The issue basis of the issue price, if you see, company is available at FY20 PE 13.4 multiple and book value of 1.82 on the upper price band of the issue. The issue, I think, is fairly priced, not very expensive. If anyone has a long-term horizon, they can apply in this issue. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. We will come with lot of SME IPO review videos. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye.